MECO confirmed.
Stage separation confirmed.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
As you've just heard, Electron has just had a successful MECO stage separation and second stage ignition confirmed. Telemetry data shows that Electron is moving now at more than 7,800 kilometres an hour, now almost past the 100 kilometre altitude above Earth. It is T plus 3 minutes and 15 seconds into the mission, and coming up next is fairing jettison. And that is when Electron's nose cone will split down the middle and fall away from the rocket in preparation for payload deployment later in the journey.